Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching us about the Cupertino navigation in Flutter. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now, because one subscription will help this channel and to help the YouTube algorithm. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'll delete what I have here, and then I'll have my column. In my column I'll have two buttons. So let me just have my children. One will show us the material navigation and one will show us the Cupertino navigation. Here we have the text material navigation and another button, elevated button, it will show us text Cupertino navigation. Okay, so let me just have functions for my unpressed. Okay, so here we have navigator dot push, because that's how we push to another page, which will take a context and a route. So for the first route, we'll be using the material page route. You should take a function context, and here we'll navigate to second page. Now I've not created second page yet, so let me create that here. So stateless widget called second page, and here we'll have our scaffold, which will just take a body property, no appbar, body property of center, and a text which says, sorry, child text which says second page. Let me just have constant here. Now let me style this a little. So we have a style of, let's say, text style, and here we'll increase the font to, let's say, 24. Okay, so here we'll just navigate to the second page. Now let me save all this and I'll see what I've done. Let me reload. Okay, and move this to the center, main axis alignment dot center, and I'll stretch the buttons. So the cross axis alignment will be dot stretch, so that we'll see it very well. Okay, now we have this. So in my second, no, let me have a button here so that I'll be able to go back to the page. So here we have elevated button. When we press it, we'll use navigator dot pop. Okay, and this is just it for this button. Now if we press this button, we will go back to our page, our previous page. So this will be go back to first page, and I'm having errors here. Let me see what is okay. And the reason we had an error here was because we added a const here, which cannot be because we have an elevated button here. So if I should press here now, we will move to the second page. Sorry, let me wrap this with a safe area. Where is it? Or with a center widget. Wrap with center so that we'll see it very well. And when we press here, you can see go to first page. You can see how the material navigation goes as if the page is coming from below. Okay, let's check the Cupertino navigation. Now Cupertino is used with iOS. I hope we know that. So we have navigator dot push here, and in our route we'll use the Cupertino page route. Cupertino page route. Now once we press this, if you go and look up, you see that Cupertino.dat library has been imported already. So let's just continue. It's just the same context. Here we have our context, and this will be second page. Okay, and this is just it about Cupertino navigation too. So if I save this, if we check the Cupertino navigation, we see that it's as if our page is coming from the right to the left, from the right to the left and all that, but this one just pops up. And then this is just it about Cupertino navigation in Flutter. Now you should know that with everything you have for material, that you also have for Cupertino library. So this is where we'll be stopping. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Also, if you need this source code, I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next lesson.